It's your girl, Twilico, aka Sister Cole. How are you guys doing? Over here, you know what I like. I like to do lookbook hauls, product reviews, cook, clean. Over here, I like. And if that is something that you would like, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Boom, right there. Let's show you guys. I'm trying to build my stack, okay? And so I have like this cute charm that I got from, what's the name of that store? Oh, Pandora. My daughter actually bought it for me years ago. And so I went into the store to get it clean. Child, you know Pandora don't even clean jewelry anymore. Sold me a daggone kit for $20. I was like, so why y'all don't clean anymore? Oh, because we want, you know, the buyers to be more responsible and take care of the jewelry. I'm like, what? That don't even sound right. But anyway, I bought the cleaning kit because I really did need the jewelry to be clean. But yo, customer services is like, yo, at this rate, we ain't even gonna have customer service anymore. At this rate, customer services is gonna be non-existent. So they said you keep it in there for like 2 minutes. It has been in there 2 minutes, you guys. I need to find, I'm gonna stick my hand in there. I have to. Oh, that's what, I guess that's what this little stick is for. Okay. All right. Ooh, did it work? Ooh, yes it did. Yes it did. Y'all should have seen it before it went in there. So yeah, I'm trying to build up my stack. All right, my arm candy. So I'm like, oh, I need to build up my arm candy. And I had forgot all about my Pandora bracelet that my daughter bought for me years ago. And like for Mother's Day. So, and I used to wear it all the time. And then I just took it off recently because it was getting on my nerves. The charms was just like getting on my nerves. They were all stuck in one spot. I feel like I've lost a lot of charms though. I'm gonna have to tonight. I'm gonna go look because this thing was practically full, and right now it's like, so I've got to go find out what I did with my charms because I had way more than this. Oh, that worked. It brought it back to life. It brought it back to life. I don't know. This ball looks kind of dingy. You know what? I think I'm gonna put it in there again. I'm gonna put it in there a little bit. Let me let it sit a little bit more. Okay, so then I ordered me a bracelet off of Amazon. Okay, it was a sterling silver bracelet. Okay, it had great reviews. Okay, I think that says LC. LC, I ordered it. Lee Kala. They had great reviews on this. Oh, opened it up, it has like a little business card, little scanner. Okay, a little scanner. What is this? I get, okay, so it's like a little booklet that tells you about their jewelry, I guess. Okay. Came in this little package. Oh my goodness, I hope this is the right size because these wrists are not for the weak. All right, you guys, very cute, very cute. All right, it's really nice. I like it. Now this right here is a size 9. I got it from the men size because I didn't think that the woman's size was going to fit me because my wrists are fairly large, but I really could have got this in a 8. I could have got this in an 8. It's quite a bit of room right there, so I definitely could have did an 8 or even a, you know, yeah, I could have did an 8. But it's still nice, it's cute, I can work with it. So yes, I'm trying to build that style. I'm going to show you guys some perfume that I received from Scentbird, who I shared with them. And they send me perfumes every month. If you watch, you already know. And I want to show you this really cute bag that I got from Coach the other day. Yep. But you guys, did y'all see the Super Bowl halftime show with Kendrick Lamar? I know that you guys did. Everybody is talking about it, but hands down, honestly, that probably is like one of the best halftime shows. It really is. So many messages, you know, like if you really looked at it, it's just so, it was more than a performance. It was more than a performance. I was like, wow. I mean, it just depicts like what's going on, you know, in our world or in our society right now. Yeah, I'm not getting much into it, but no, this year it's been a time. This year has been a time, I tell you. I mean, I don't know. I feel like everybody is just like stressed. There's so much division that's going on. I'm telling you, if we ever needed God, we need him now. We need to stay on our knees. We need to be on knees sitting, and we just gotta pray and, you know, just pray and believe God for normalcy. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, that's neither here or there. But I really, you know, thought that halftime show was like one of the best that I've ever seen. The production was 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. All right, so here we go. The first perfume, let's see. This one is called Salvatore Ferragamo. Okay, Salvatore Ferragamo. And the notes are black currant, pink pepper, peony, and rose. Ooh, that sounds floral. Let's see what it's like, you ladies. Let's see. Yes, it's nice. It is floral. You smell, the first thing I smell is the rose. All right, let me let it dry down a little bit, but I smell that rose right off bat. This scent right here, I would say it's an intimate scent. It's not like bold. It's very soft. It's pretty. You smell the rose. Yeah. So it's something like, and I have to keep it on a little bit just to see, you know, I'll get back and I'll let you guys know like if it, like how long it stays on. But at this point, off the bat, I definitely smell the rose. The note, the rose, I definitely smell that. It's intimate, it's very soft, it's very pretty. Right? And this scent, I would say this scent is good for like the office. If you're going to the office, this is, yeah. This could be like a everyday perfume, you know. And this is the bottles. If you guys haven't seen the Scent Bird, they come in this little tube right here. And like I said, I love my subscription that I have with them, because first of all, I get to try out scents before I buy the actual big bottle. And plus this is perfect size for traveling or just to throw in your bag. So I like that for them. All right, so I don't have a collab. This is not a collab or anything. This is just me sharing something that I do. Okay, so yeah, that's floral. That was floral, but it's very faint. Very, very faint. Like honestly, I have to sniff it a minute just to get the scent. I don't think that's gonna last. I don't know. I don't think that doesn't, because I'm like sniffing hard just to smell that. So at this point, I would not buy a big bottle of that, because if I'm gonna pay some money for my perfume, I need it to smell. Okay, I need people to smell me walking by. Yes, ma'am. All right. Oh, wow. So they sent again a Salvatore Ferragamo. This one is called Encanto Charms. Encanto Charms. And the notes in this is passion fruit, honeysuckle, I like honeysuckle, rose, jasmine, and musk. Okay, so now with that musk, it should stay. This should be something that stay with you, because I noticed that musk note that stays on that lingers. This stays on forever. All right, so let's see, you guys, how this one is. Okay, more like it. Okay, the honeysuckle is the most potent note in this. Is the honeysuckle. And lemon. You know what? Why does it smell? Honestly, it smells lemony. Why does it smell lemony? I guess maybe that's part of the honey or the passion fruit. Maybe that's the passion fruit that I'm smelling. All right, but it is floral because it has the honeysuckle and the jasmine in it, okay? And yeah, it smells really good. This smells good. This right here, I would say that you could wear, this could be like a daily perfume as well. It would be real cute on a date. If you want to smell like florally? Is that a word? Anyway, but yeah, I would say that I would definitely have to get back with you guys just to let you know how long it lasts, okay? But both of them are not like boom, powerful. You know, I feel like someone had to be up close on you to smell that. Okay, and let's look at the Coach bag that I got. I did open this already. Okay, so this Coach bag, I've been wanting this bag for a minute. I just never got it, and finally I talked myself in getting it. Okay, here is the bag. It came in its little cute duster, but it is the Tabby bag. Look how cute this is. You know, guys, you know how long I've been wanting this bag? I have been eyeing this bag forever. So yes, it is the quilted leather Tabby. She is so cute, and it has the silver hardware. And if you guys watch me, you know I love silver. And then it has like the black and silver chain. I'm not gonna take it off just yet. Yep. But look how cute it is. I love this bag. I've been watching this bag for the longest. Look, when you open it up, look at this, you guys. It has like a little flap, and the flap says the Tabby bag, genuine Napa leather. So it has like a little flap, like this little part is like an envelope right there, right? And then on the inside of it, it has like it has two more extra space, and then the mid part has a zip, which I love that for me. I like the little mid zip part, and that's where, you know, I probably would keep like my wallet. So yes, I've been wanting this bag for the longest, and here she is. She's cute. She's cutesy. She's demure. Yes, she is. She's everything, honey. Get into it. Get into it.